In this video we're going to have a look at engine parts, engine components, and some of the terminology and nomenclature that you're likely to encounter when you are working with engines. We're going to take a look at a 4-stroke diesel engine, but keep in mind that a lot of combustion engines use the same components. Diesel engines have much higher compression ratios, maybe somewhere around 15, 16, 17 to 1 or higher, and this is the reason, or one of the main reasons, why diesel engines are more efficient than petrol or gasoline engines. So let's get stuck right in, and we can go straight to the middle of the engine. Where this blue line is indicated here, that indicates the cylinder bore. The cylinder is the piece here that surrounds the piston. This item in the middle of the screen is the piston, and the piston moves up and down in the cylinder. There's a very thin layer of oil between the piston rings and the cylinder liner, and we have to have that oil not just to obtain our seal, but because if we didn't have it, the piston rings would rub against the liner, we'd get micro welding, micro seizure, and the piston rings would begin to break. Not only that, but we would damage the surface of the cylinder liner. What's interesting though is that the camshaft is driven from the crankshaft via gears or a chain or a belt, and although it's the camshaft that controls when the valves open and close and when fuel is injected, etc., because it's coupled to the crankshaft, ultimately it operates with the crankshaft. As the crankshaft rotates, the camshaft rotates also. The difference is that the camshaft rotates slower. The camshaft rotates at half the speed of the crankshaft. And when we're talking about strokes, we can have a 2-stroke engine, which means the piston goes from top dead center to bottom dead center and then back up again to top dead center. That is 2 strokes, one down and one up. Or a 4-stroke engine, which means the piston goes down, up, and the reason we measure that as 4 strokes is because we refer to it as one combustion cycle. A 2-stroke engine achieves one combustion cycle in 2 strokes.